Hi friends, welcome to my Blendastic garden. This is an unboxing video for kids tab. This is the tab I got from Amazon. This product link in the description box. If you want, you can check this product. This is for kids. This is 7-inch display and Android version is 11.0. This tab has dual camera, 32 GB Rom. RAM is 2 GB. This tab comes with screen protector and tab case and comes with extra screen protector with tab holder. My kids love this tab so much. There is an separate app for only kids learning, and there is a separate app for coloring pages, and my kids love it. They spend more time in coloring the pages and learning something in the learning app. The special thing about this tab is this is not only for kids. I can also use this tab